हाय फ्रेंड्स,
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल
एशिया फॉर इंडिया।
मैं विनीता।
और मैं हूँ नेहा एंड वी आर बैक with another reaction and we are continuing our journey with NCT 127 or NCT 127.
मैं 127
And this song is another recommendation. So we got a long list of recommendations for NCT 127 and NCT in all. This song is called Cherry Bomb.
Cherry Bomb.
Yeah. And we are watching its music video. So,
Okay.
Vinita, who are you looking forward to the most? Which NCT 127 guy?
मुझे लगा जिसकी आंखें
हाँ, Doyoung.
डियोंग
Doyoung. विनीता की आंखों वाला. और मेरे को I'm looking forward to Yuta and Mark and Jung. Uri Makshi, Uri Jeongshi. But more than that, I'm looking forward to Yuta and Jaehyun. Jaehyun also is a potential bias. Right now, they're all potential biases. So let's get started. And this is NCT 127 Cherry Bomb. Are you ready, Benita?
Yes.
Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, start.
ओह इनका आउटफिट भी वैसे सही है।
Yeah, nice. I like the puzzle wala pants or whatever they are. I'm the biggest hit.
मेरी हिट सुन रहा है
Uri Makshi's.
Uri Jeongshi.
हाँ, Uri Jeongshi. I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit. Johnny.
ये स्टेप अच्छा है।
Cherry Bomb. ये ना तुम्हारी आंखों वाला.
हाँ मैंने पहचान लिया।
ये विनीता तुम्हारी आंखों वाला. This is Tile. Tile or Tail or however you pronounce that name. Uri Makshi. Oh, he looks nice with the hat on. Yuta पहचान ली तुम अपने आंखों. This is Yuta. Yeah. Johnny, Yuta, Tile. I think. You guys let us know. I think this is it, and I'm not 100% sure. ये तुम्हारी आंखों वाली और वो शायद नहीं. हाँ. ये tail.
Rockstar, heads up, no talk. 어디 가나 속이는 싸움, 주변 times 가는 다르게 박수. 에이, 넌 내도 gay, 고민이 정신을 차리네. 여기 내 거실에서 의자나 뺏어 말해. 허리는 나와 뺏어 와고 핑계 기과 책임은 나 오기를 바래. 이를 잡아, 뭐라고 너 내가 쏘아. 잘 베이스가 피스톨을 쏘는 걸 거셔.
मुझे माँ की रैप बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
ये एकदम ही चेंज हो गया। चेरी बॉम्ब से फायर बॉम्ब
I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
अच्छा, I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
On this stage.
On this stage. Okay.
Yeah. On the stage. biggest hit on the stage. Nice.
Oh,
Cherry bomb. Oh, it's finally cherry bombing. Tiong, Jaehyun. How many are there? 9? 4 on each side and center mid, right?
I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit on the stage. Cherry bomb फट गया. This was a very nice song and an equally nice music video.
हाँ.
है ना?
म्यूजिक वीडियो भी मतलब इसमें मेरे को वो जो कार्टून वाला इफेक्ट आया था वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था.
है ना? बड़ा अलग था.
हाँ, अलग
It was
से,
all
हाँ.
very.
और एक स्टेप था ना जिसमें सारे ऐसे वो ऐसे पैर मारते एकदम से ऐसे वो कार्टून
हाँ,
एनिमेशन
the animation और जो 2D animation
हाँ, 2D
plus
animation,
वो
हाँ.
था ना वो बड़ा अच्छा था. And I like I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
on the stage.
Yeah. I'm the biggest hit.
और clap your hand.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So let's watch it again. There are no subtitles, are there? I don't. Okay. So there are no subtitles for this song. So we'll watch it and enjoy once more. Let's see if we can pay attention to more things. I really like the pens.
हाँ,
Puzzle वाले ना है ना मस्त color. Nice print. Let's restart. Cherry bomb.
Balik balik peer right cherry bomb balik yum balik balik peer right cherry
Balik,
bomb
balik?
balik yum balik balik
If you know what this means, please let us know.
yum balik balik peer right cherry bomb
ये
मुझे लास्ट
Jaehyun
को
है.
नहीं होती.
The biggest hit.
on the stage I'm the biggest hit
ये U-turn.
on the stage I'm the biggest hit I'm the biggest
ये Jaehyun है. ये U-turn.
시간이 되지 반드시 아마 또만 땡때 기신 한 발을 걸어 다들 못해 모두 따라와요 왜서
मुझे hat वाला mug बहुत cute लग रहा है.
यहाँ पे भी अच्छा लगा.
ये Jeongshi है. I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit on the stage. हमें पहली बार इस टाइम पे समझ नहीं आता राइट
हाँ.
मिस्टर
ये स्टेप हाँ.
Every one of them is doing something different, but it's one. I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
ओह नहीं बोला.
नहीं बोला तुम्हारे जीवन में कुछ और बोला. इसका actually बहुत अच्छा
हाँ.
He's got great
down.
eyes.
इसके आंखों पे गाना निकल गया.
I'm the biggest hit. That's my potential bias.
끝이 어디인지 어디까지 갈 수 있는지 이제 시작해서
Jaehyun. I'm the biggest hit.
rockstar, heads up, no talk. 어디 가나 속에 내 삶, 주변 times 가나 다르게 박수. 에이, 넌내 덕에 분명히 정신을 차리네. 여기 내 거실에서 이제 나 뺏어 말해. 어린애 나와 뺏어와 고삐게 기와집에 나 오기를 바래. Hater, talk. 뭐라고 나 내가 쏘아. 잘 뺏어가 뺏어를 쏘는 걸 gunshot 녹여져 버린 나. But the bar, cherry bomb.
ये इसी एनिमेशन के साथ बिल्कुल ही वो चेंज हो गया म्यूजिक.
I'm the biggest hit. I'm the biggest hit on the stage. I'm the biggest hit.
I'm the biggest hit.
On the stage. I'm the biggest hit.
I'm the biggest hit on the stage. I really like this outfit also, the purple one. It's a very different color for men to wear, and they wear it with great confidence. I'm the biggest hit on the stage. ये बहुत अच्छा है.
On the stage.
ये अच्छा था.
I'm the biggest hit on the stage.
And this song is a big hit. Like, मतलब I'm pretty sure it would have done well when it released.
जैसा नाम था वैसे ही गाना.
हाँ, Cherry Bomb. It was a bomb song. Yeah. In terms of music, it was nice. It's a great song to listen to. Like, I can just like you can swing to it. ये clubbing वाला गाना है, right? Wherein you can go and dance. हाँ. And it has got a great vibe. The choreography was great. The music video looks great. It's very interesting how they have combined real
animation बहुत अच्छा किया.
2D animation with the dancing and the visuals and everything. The music is nice. I think it was a 10 on 10 kind of song, right? कि सब कुछ ही. And who caught your attention the most in this song, Vinita?
मेरे को ना एक पसंद आया था. मेरे को नाम नहीं याद.
कौन सा Vinita?
एक मिनट.
ढूंढो अपना पसंद. मुझे for me somebody the one who stood out.
तो है ही है.
I think Mark stood out for me in this song. I liked his raps, and I think Johnny also stood out for me in this.
देख के नहीं रहा.
विनीता अपना जिसको पसंद आए वो ढूंढ रही है. बाकी वैसे मुझे यूटा इज ओवरऑल माय फेवरेट. ये दिस इज यूटा. दूसरों की टेरिटरी पे नहीं झांकना विनीता. स्टाइल
शायद
ये दिस इज आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर.
अब ऐसी पहचान.
ये हाँ. I think I am not 100% sure. I'll put up a screenshot here. You guys can let me know if we are correct. But I think this is Heichen. He's the youngest in NCT 127. He's younger than Mark. So he's the youngest in 127. And he's also a part, like Mark, he's also a part of NCT Dream.
Okay.
And he's a vocal. So, and he's known for his vocals. Like, he's got a good voice. So, Mark और ये बहुत close भी हैं because I think they became trainees at around the same time. So they have been like in SM for a long time. You can let us know. I can be wrong because there are two members that I'm not really. I often get confused in. One is Jo Young or Jo Woong. What I'm sorry, that's the name that I'm not very familiar with. It's either Jo Woong or let's find out. I think Jo NCT 127 members. Jungwoo, sorry. So Jungwoo and Jungwoo. I don't know how you pronounce it, but whatever it is, let us know. Heichen, Heichen. I think it's Heichen, the one I'm looking at right now. What's the song? A Cherry Bomb. Let's see if we can find a picture. So it is Heichen. I'm right. Yeah. So Heichen, but I'm often confused between Heichen and Jungwoo for some odd reason. I don't know. But the other members, I think I can find out and name all of them. So Yuta I know, Jaehyun I know, Taeyong we know. Win was not part of this, or was he? Please let us know if he was part of this MV because I think he's not.
क्योंकि यहाँ 9 मेंबर्स थे.
हाँ, तो
मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है.
हेचेन था, जॉनी था, मार्क था, जंगवू था शायद, but I'm not very familiar with his face, so you'll have to let us know who he is. Doyoung and Tail we know. So we are getting familiar with 127. Yay! that is it, guys. I think Benita, is there anything else you would like to point out? I like their outfits a lot,
हाँ
especially the puzzle one and
और
the
वो
purple
purple
one.
वाला,
हाँ,
हाँ,
those
हाँ.
two outfits stood out for me, and I liked Mark का hat वाला look.
अच्छा है और वो वाला लुक भी तो अच्छा था जो कौन सा था ब्राउन कलर का क्या
हाँ, वो
क्या
उसी के ऊपर है,
था?
तो दैट्स द सेम वन ना. वहाँ पे उसने वो पजल वाली पैंट पहनी हुई है, व्हाइट शर्ट पहनी हुई है.
अच्छा
I think so.
notice नहीं किया
आई माइट बी रॉन्ग, क्योंकि मैं जनरली ऐसी चीज़ों में कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ, बट आई थिंक दैट वाज द सेम लुक एंड ही वाज जस्ट वेयरिंग दैट. हाँ, ये रहा ना.
हाँ
So it was part of that same look. So I like the purple outfits on everyone. I like these checkered वाला जो भी puzzle pieces वाला जो outfit है सबका वो भी. But Mark का especially the hat look, the black hat look really suits him. So Mark, for me, Uri Makshi stood out in this song. Overall, he's like he and I think Johnny. He and Johnny.
मैंने अपना नया बायस खोजा है
कौन
वही जो भी देंगे हेचन
Hachen is a very funny guy also. According to what I know so far, I have not seen much of NCT, but we'll watch more of NCT in the coming days. Thank you so much, guys. This is it for today. We'll be back soon with another NCT or NCT 127 or NCT U or NCT Dream or some NCT. There is so much of NCT around that we can keep continuing to watch NCT forever and ever. So thank you. Bye bye.